SOC 101. Study Session 6. Socialization. Introduction. Socialization is a process of social interaction by which people acquire the knowledge, attitudes, values, and behaviors which are essential for effective participation in society. Socialization, in short, is a process of becoming a social being. It continues throughout one's life. It is a lifelong process of inheriting and disseminating norms, customs, and ideologies, providing members of society with the skills and habits necessary for participating within their society. Socialization is thus the means by which social and cultural continuity are attained. The relevance of socialization lies on the fact that, in comparison with other species, we enter the world as amazingly unfinished creatures. This means that we are not born as social beings, able to participate in society, but become so only in the course of socialization. In this lecture, we'll examine the process of socialization. We'll also look at its foundations and its relationship to the development of the individual in society. Learning outcomes. When you have studied this study session, you should be able to define and use correctly all the keywords printed in bold. Also differentiate between the nurture and nature aspects of socialization. Identify agents of socialization. And lastly, describe the micro-level theories of socialization. Socialization. Socialization is a process of social interaction by which people acquire the knowledge, attitudes, values, and behaviors which are essential for effective participation in society. Socialization, in short, is the process of becoming a social being. Nature and nurture. A primary interest to sociologists is the question on how nature and nurture interact to produce human behavior. Sociologists recognize that the environment plays a vital role in shaping human behavior. Nature here refers to hereditary factors that shape behavior, while nurture refers to the environmental or social factors that shape human behaviors. Agents of socialization. The following are the basic agents of socialization: the family, peer groups, schools or education, mass media, and religious bodies. Theories of socialization. Theories of socialization usually place emphasis on social structure, learning, and social interaction. Socialization theories are broadly divided into macro-level and micro-level theories. Macro-level theories of socialization. These include functionalism and conflict theory. These view socialization as a process that has important consequences for society as a whole. For functionalists, society would not be possible if people do not internalize the values, norms, and beliefs that ensure that they can and will occupy the positions and play the roles that make up social structure. On the other hand, conflict theories recognize that socialization prepares people to play various roles in society, but they view socialization critically, emphasizing the ways socialization controls people and ensures that social inequalities are reproduced from one generation to the other. Micro-level theories of socialization. These include social learning theory, cognitive development theory, and symbolic interactionism. The social learning theory holds that socialization occurs through positive and negative reinforcement by parents, friends, and society. People then imitate social behaviors around them. The cognitive development theory holds that a child's socialization depends on the child's ability to understand and interpret the world, and this progresses through several stages. To the interactionist, actions through which people observe, interpret, evaluate, and communicate with and attempt to control the world are important in socialization. Study session summary. 1. Socialization was defined as the process of social interaction by which people acquire the knowledge, attitudes, values and behaviors which are essential for effective participation in society. 2. Primary interest to sociologists is the question on how nature and nurture interact to produce human behavior. And lastly, the theories of socialization are broadly divided into macro level and micro level theories. End of study session 6. Thank you for listening.